Skidsteer's been parked here a while. Either that or the grass is growing really fast. What really gave me away that the Skidsteer's been here a while is this weed. See? It's grown up all the way through the red Skidsteer. 4 feet tall right now. Other thing that makes me suspicious, back here in the corner, there's a spider's nest. It's pretty extensive. It goes all the way up. Then there's this one here. This one's the real clue. It goes all the way up to here. And all the way down. I kind of feel sorry for the Skidsteer. It would appear that nobody loves it. Oh, Zoe loves it. Only she likes the grass around it. Eat the grass, Zoe. Help Dad out. Poor Skidsteer.